Hello everybody, this is me, Martel. Just want to say, just got my new vacuum right now. Just want to say this is my old vacuum. So ever since I moved in here, my dad, actually I bought this myself. You might not know it's dusty, forgive me, but yeah, it had been for a lot of beatings and stuff. This wouldn't pick up, wouldn't vacuum anything. Just want to say, probably pay $50 for this, but pay like, I'm just very thankful nonetheless. This lasts me for over 10 years. Just want to say I'm so thankful. Hello everybody, this is me, Martel. This is the new vacuum. I paid $50. Let's get into it. Oh, every purchase save pets. And let's say pets while we at it. Help homeless pets. Oh. Hey, what's going on there, everybody? This is my first time showing this off. Anyway, let's just get into it. Shit. Ain't that obvious? This had cost me like $50. Cool. Oh, nice. Hello. This was thank God that I bought me a new vacuum. So good I bought me a new light. Oh! No. My bad, I only got one hand here. Social media, don't trip. I ain't wearing no socks right now. That's so dope. That's it. Hello, excuse the mess right now. And gotta put it together. Hello, just wanna say goodbye to my Dirt Devil Versa Power. You served me well for over 10 years. Forget the dust. Want to say thank you for serving me well. Saying you a nice, proper goodbye for all the work you've been doing. Anyways, on to the new Bissell, and also helping homeless pets, so it feels pretty good, Anyways, thank y'all for watching. Hello everybody, forgot to put this on video, so basically a bonus clip video. I never saw a Tootsie Roll like this before. You know how we do it. Unwrapping. And that's it. A piece of candy. Let's see what it's just. Ain't like